Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see who rewatches or replays your Snapchat story. Now, in order to know who rewatched your Snapchat story, what you need to do is you need to have the premium version of Snapchat. So for this feature, it's basically $1 a month. So if you buy like an entire year's package, it's going to be cheap, but you need to have the premium version, also known as Snapchat Plus. If you don't have that, you're not going to have this feature. But let me show you guys how you guys can get this. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel. First thing, you want to click on your profile at the top left of your screen. Once you click on your profile, it's going to bring you over here. And over here, it shows you Snapchat Plus. In order to get it, click on Snapchat Plus. Once you click on Snapchat Plus, as you guys can see, these are all the features you're going to get. You can also get story rewatch, if you guys can see over here. So if I click on it, this is basically what my story rewatch is going to look like. As you guys can see, it even shows me the picture. So if I like this feature, I can click on next at the bottom, and I can even start a 7-day trial. You can also do that if you like this. And after 7-day trial, you can buy it for $0.49 per month. So for a year, it's going to be $5.88 per year. That's really cheap if you think about it. Just around $6 a year. That's really cheap. So that's basically how you guys can see who rewatched your Snapchat story. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.